Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam. Part of the Storm Team Skycam Network. Lots of cloudiness out there. And as we head towards tomorrow morning, we'll start to see some snowflakes flying here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. 14 degrees right now. Winds are calm. 12 at this hour over in Moorhead. Temperatures elsewhere primarily into the teens, but a little bit warmer off towards the west. And we're going to see some warmer air work its way on in overnight tonight and through the day on Wednesday. Ahead of that warmer air, that's where we're going to see the snow and maybe even some freezing rain. Calm conditions in terms of the winds in several locations, but those winds turning to the south and southeast off towards the west, and we'll see those winds increase out of the south and southeast tomorrow. A breezy day with southeasterly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with some gusts up to 30 miles per hour. That combined with some snow will make for some tricky travel. -3 your wind chill up in Langdon, 0 in Devil's Lake. Off towards the east with the calm winds, air temperatures the same as those wind to chill temperatures. A lot of clouds out there, and we'll continue to see an increase in those clouds. Underneath those clouds, and my radar is protesting the snow and trying to change it into rain, but this is all snow. And again, a lot of dry air on the leading edge of this, so a lot of this not reaching the ground yet. It will saturate eventually, and that's going to take its time. By the time it reaches the Red River, we're going to see that snow start 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. Off towards the west, it starts later on into the evening. Off towards the west, we've already seen an inch of snow out in the Williston area. Looks like that snow is winding on down. For us, as we head through the rest of the evening, we'll see that chance for some snow ever so slowly make its way on off towards the east, and those southeasterly winds again will continue to increase. That snow continues to try and fight its way into the dry air. It eventually does so as we head through the early morning hours tomorrow. On the back edge in the warmer air, that's where we see the ice, freezing rain and sleet. It's going to cause some very slick conditions, and that snow shield continues to slowly make its way on through the valley as we head through the day tomorrow. The entire region going to see some snow. Some of us will see some ice as we head through the day tomorrow. The best chances for snow, it looks like the highest chances for maybe 2 to 3 inches across the northern valley. The rest of us 1 to 2 inches of snow. Certainly enough to cause some slick conditions. The other part of the story is the ice, and the best chance for a glaze of ice is off towards the west, but I would not be surprised to see a little bit of freezing drizzle or freezing rain lingering over parts of the rest of the area as we head through late tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Now, because of that chance for some ice, winter weather advisory in effect for the counties highlighted you see there. But again, travel is going to be tough as we head through the day tomorrow across the entire area. Here in Fargo, we'll start off with some flakes of snow in the morning, and after bottoming out around 8 or 9 degrees later on this evening, we're going to rise to around 15 by tomorrow morning, into the low 20s with some snow and some breezy conditions. And later on in the day, some slick roads with some snow and maybe even a little bit of freezing rain or sleet mixed in. Picture of the day, a chilly sunset in Gonvick. Thanks so much to Jimmy for sending this in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast, and it's going to be a sloppy one on your Wednesday. Take care if you're traveling at all. Some of that may linger into the early morning hours on Thursday, especially up in northern Minnesota, but milder temperatures Thursday and Friday. A bit cooler Saturday. Still keeping our eyes on that big snowstorm. Right now, most, if not all, that stays to our south, but it's a long way off. Could still see a few flakes of snow Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, along with colder air.
All right. Thanks, Robert.